Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and clean filter on DREAME L20 ULTRA. To do this, first we'll need to remove the top cover from our robot. Inside we can find the dustbin. Here you can also see the button, click on it and then pull the dustbin up like that. Then you can find the filter right here. There's also a gap that we can put our finger in and then simply remove it. Now to clean it, we'll need some running water. Don't scrub on the filter, it will damage it. Just put it under the running water and then leave it to dry before applying it back to your robot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.